Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency investing, breaking down what you need to know before buying your first digital asset. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for a refresher, this guide will help you get started. 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that operates on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional money, it's decentralized and isn't controlled by banks or governments. Popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, and Solana. Hack 2. Choosing a crypto exchange. To buy and sell crypto, you'll need to use a secure exchange. Some of the most trusted platforms include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. These exchanges let you trade crypto, store assets, and even earn rewards through staking. 3. Setting up a wallet. A crypto wallet stores your digital assets securely. You can choose between hot wallets, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet, connected to the internet for easy access. Cold wallets, like Ledger or Trezor, hardware devices that keep your crypto offline for maximum security. 4. Investing strategies. Buy and hold, HODL, holding crypto long-term, hoping for value appreciation. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, investing a fixed amount regularly to reduce market risk. Trading, actively buying and selling crypto to profit from price changes. 5. Managing risks. Crypto is highly volatile, so invest only what you can afford to lose. Diversify your portfolio and avoid investing based on hype. Always research before making any investment decisions. 6. Staying informed. The crypto market moves fast, so keep up with updates by following CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and reputable news sources like CoinDesk and Decrypt. Cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities, but understanding the risks is key. Are you already investing in crypto or are you just getting started? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights. See you in the next one.